Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Alright, so what's good YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son?
And we are back with a brand new video. What's up guys? What's going on? How's everyone doing? Hope you're enjoying your Sunday evening. But if you are brand new to the channel, please do me a favor. Feel free to hit that subscribe button down below as we are on the journey this year to hitting 10,000 subscribers. Just last week we hit 6,500. Every day we're growing. I don't care if it's 1 subscriber, 2, 3. As long as we're growing 1 a day, we're still growing every single day. So please do me a favor, do yourself a favor, hit that subscribe button down below. Also, if you're brand new, you're probably gonna want to get noticed every time we drop a brand new video around here. And me, I try to stay consistent. Try to post every day, but I am a family man. I do work. And like I said, if you're brand new, just hit that notification bell down below and it'll let you know every time we drop a brand new video. Alright guys, in today's video, I got a package that we did this review on already. You can click the link at the top of the screen to check that review out real quick. But I also got another package from KRS Graphic Tees, I believe. But let's check out what we got in this box. We cut this box open. Now these pair of Jordans, like I said, this is the OG model. Then I seen somebody on Instagram post like, oh, they're not the OG, they forgot the gray. And I meant to look it up to see if they did forget the gray in the you know, in the OG model, which, like I said, I forgot. I never looked it up. But I'm gonna look at this pair. I haven't had them. I sent them to a YouTuber, Danny Moore. If you're not familiar with his channel, the links to his channel will be in the description down below. Make sure you check him out. But yep, here we go. You know, we got that. What do you got? Jordan 8s. You got Jordan 11s. You got Jordan 10s. Which ones? But like I said, if you are, you know, familiar with me and you've been around here, you know exactly what these are. These are the Air Jordan 8 Playoffs. Now, like I said, I did a review, an on foot of this shoe, detailed review. If you want to check that out, make sure you click the link at the top of the screen. But make sure you come back here, finish this unboxing. But yeah, I sent them, me and him, we tried to, you know, help each other out. We're in the same field. I really don't know him like that. I met him one time, I believe at Got Soul. Really nice dude, really, you know, seemed genuine to me, you know what I mean? And I'm pretty good at, you know, reading, you know, people or judge a character or whatnot. The kid seems pretty cool to me. So it is what it is. But guys, like I said, man, these are going to be a problem. These are dropping September 30th. They might drop September 3rd. I don't know. I heard a lot of rumors, a lot of different, you know, release dates. You know, now with Jordan Brand, anything could drop, just like the crafts. If you haven't seen that video, it's actually doing pretty well. Just click the link at the top of the screen. It'll take you directly to that video. And that's the Air Jordan 5 craft. They did 2 different materials on that pair. And you know, the review's actually doing pretty well. Now we got another package here from, yes, I was right, KRS Graphic Tees. He was kind enough to send you know, another one over. I had no idea. It just showed up at my front door. But you know, I ain't gonna say no. I truly appreciate it, man. The support this kid has shown me. He just honestly came out of nowhere and started showing me support. So what do? I show support right back. Oh, and look what he did, bro. Yo, look at the smile on my face, bro. Oh, yo, thank you so much, man. Guys, if you want to, you know, pick up this tee, or he's got other dope tees, his links to his Instagram, everything will be in the description, man. Yo, thank you so much. I have to get on a first name basis with you because I'm not going to keep calling you KRS Graphic Tees forever, you know what I mean? But anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I truly appreciate you. Once again, KRS Graphic Tees, thank you guys so much. This shirt is so dope. He knows exactly, you knew exactly what to do to get me, man. Thank you guys so much. I truly appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart, man. But until next time, it is your man, the son of some man, and I'm out, guys. Peace.